Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and we are in lab 4.3.3 and we're going to change the current target. So you are working on your Linux server and need to change to single user mode. You can change to single user mode with the systemctl command and rescue target, which is a special target unit that runs a base system in a single user mode and a rescue shell. So in this lab, your task is to use the systemctl command to make rescue target the current target. After changing the rescue target, log back in as the root using the password provided as the password. So that is all we need to do in this lab. So we'll just go ahead and start lab. So we just wait for the lab to load. In case you find this video to be helpful, you may also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you get detailed insider spec on how to solve any of the tests at lab at all, be Security Pro, Network Plus, and Linux Pro. So we just wait for the lab to load. Alright, so this lab is loaded. Let's start up right away. We're going to type in systemctl isolate space rescue dot target click enter. Okay, so enter. So go ahead and score lab. Now, if I find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel, and also consider joining my professional membership, where you get insider spec on how to solve any of the tests at lab. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.